Thanks for checking out this review video. In this video, I'll help you determine whether this product is the right fit for you, if it truly delivers on its promises, and how the system actually works. But before we dive in, I want you to take a look at one of our students' results. This has been achieved through affiliate marketing with zero investment. Now, if you're interested in this and you want to learn more, then keep watching, because this could be the turning point that you have been waiting for. Before we dive into the product demo and the full walkthrough, including our 9 income streams as a free bonus, let me share a bit about my journey. So, I wasn't always in the online business space. In fact, I started my career as a dentist, making around $124 per hour. And while it was a stable profession, I quickly realized that I was just trading time for money and that my income had limits. And that's when I discovered Next Selection Dream, and it's completely changed my life. I left dentistry behind, mastered digital marketing, and I went on to build a 9-figure income online. Now I get to help others break free from financial limitations and create their own success stories. Over the past decade, my team and I have helped hundreds of students escape the financial struggles and build multiple 9 income streams. Our expertise spans digital marketing, automation tools, and passive income strategies that actually work. You see, many of our students started with zero experience and are now generating consistent passive income using the exact methods that we teach in our 9 income streams. And here is the best part. We are going to give you full access to our entire income system for free. No upfront fees, no hidden charges, just a proven system that is designed to help you build wealth effortlessly. Now, let's jump into our 8th income stream. Launch Jacking Killer, dominate affiliate marketing like a pro. Here, you can see real results from one of our students who started dominating affiliate marketing using the launch jacking method with YouTube and blogging, all without any investment. However, for a limited time, you can access everything for free as an exclusive private bonus. Thanks for watching this review video. Now, let's walk through the members area.
I created a live 3-day training called the Online Income Masterclass. For 3 whole days, I'm going to show you the same approach I used when I was getting started. The same steps I still use today. On day 1, I'm going to show you how online income really works. It's not theory, not hype, just how things really actually work behind the scenes, so you understand where to put your time and energy. You'll walk away knowing what produces results and what wastes your time. On day 2, we'll build you a simple online system. I'll show you how I set up the content, the tools and basic pieces so everything works together. You'll get clear, beginner-friendly steps you can follow without feeling overwhelmed. And on day 3, I'll show you how I grow and create unstoppable momentum. You'll see how I keep people engaged, how I expand what I built, and how I stay consistent over time. You'll walk away with a plan you can follow it at your own pace.